Topic: Most common sound. Hi, how are you? 小朋友你好嗎？今堂課我哋學習 the most common sound in English. Is it schwa, very short vowel sound. You have to know it because it's found in vertically all English words with more than one syllable. Example: earlier, the third syllable is Most comparative words end in schwa. Example: thin, thinner, weak, weaker, strong, stronger, clean, cleaner, late, later. You have probably noticed that the schwa can be influenced by the consonant sound around it. In thinner, when acts as a suffix referring to a kind of person, it also sounds Example: cooker, painter, teacher, dancer, doctor, visitor. In fact, represents A, E, I, O, U when they are involved in the weak form of words. Example: about, taken, pencil, lesson, supply. This lesson we have learned that a very short vowel sound schwa is the sound we used for the weak forms of many words. This is the end of the lesson. See you.